Hey everyone, welcome back to Manufactured Housing Expert. Today, we're here at Storms Crossing Mobile Estate in El Centro, California. If you're looking for a peaceful and family-friendly community, this is it. El Centro offers the perfect mix of a small-town vibe with modern conveniences, and it's located just a quarter mile from Interstate 8, making it super easy to get around. This community has some great amenities too. Everything from a clubhouse, dog park, and basketball courts to a swimming pool, spa, and fitness center. There's even an activities center, pickleball courts, a golf course, and a restaurant and bar on site. Whether you're retiring or raising a family, Storms Crossing offers something for everyone. Today we're going to tour the 2024 Champion Homes Literature Plan SR 2456. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers 1,307 square feet of living space. It's priced at $199,900 with a space rent of $855 per month. Check out the floor plan and tell us what you think. How would you change it? The exterior features a modern design with a raised eyebrow finish, which gives the home tons of curb appeal. You've also got a spacious carport that can fit 2 cars, with extra room for a shed. Rate this exterior from 1 to 10 in the comments below. Let's start by entering through the utility room. This area is super practical and has plenty of space for a side-by-side washer and dryer combo. There are even cabinets for extra storage, making laundry day a breeze. As we move into the living area, you'll notice the open floor plan and how much space you have for all your furniture. The large windows flood the room with natural light, and the 9-foot cathedral ceilings really add to the spacious feel. The home has carpet throughout, except for the kitchen, utility room, and bathrooms, giving it a cozy vibe. Next up, let's check out the kitchen. This space comes equipped with standard stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, including a fridge, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. We've got solid surface countertops with a 6-inch backsplash for easy cleaning and a breakfast bar that can comfortably seat 3 to 5 people. Plus, there's tons of cabinet space for all your storage needs. What do you think of this kitchen? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments below. The dining area is right next to the kitchen, with enough room for a 3 to 5 person dining table. It's a cozy spot for meals, and the proximity to the kitchen makes serving and cleanup super convenient. Let's check out the first 3 bedrooms. Each room is large enough to fit a full-size bed, maybe even a queen if you prefer. They also come with standard closets, perfect for all your storage needs. You could even turn one of these rooms into a home office. Right next to the bedrooms, we have the guest bathroom. It features the same solid surface countertop as the kitchen, tile floors, and a tub shower combo with a light and window above the tub. These small details make a big difference when it comes to lighting and ventilation. Now let's head into the master suite. This room is full of natural light, thanks to the 2 large windows. The cathedral ceiling adds to the spacious feeling, and there's more than enough room for a king-size bed and end tables. Plus, you've got a walk-in closet for all your wardrobe needs. The attached master bathroom has a modern solid surface countertop, a single-cell sink, and great vanity lights. There's a standing shower, but you can option for a shower tub combo if that's more your style. We also have a separate area for the toilet, making this a functional and private space. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2024 Champion Homes Literature Plan SR 2456 here at Storms Crossing Mobile Estate in El Centro, CA. If you enjoyed the tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a home tour. If you're interested in this home or have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help you find your dream home. See you next time on Manufactured Housing Expert.